So in this video, I want to share something from the help for Microsoft Excel. So they have, if you click on the Help tab and go to Show Training, they have online learning content. And once it loads, they have Excel videos now. So for example, if I clicked on what is Excel, it will populate to this that's got all different sorts of Excel video training. So what's Excel, tables, freezing panes, combining text, drop-down lists, splitting text, data validation, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, SUMIF, sum functions, if functions, and XLOOKUP. So that new resource is available to you, and I will link their website in the description.